Let's explore!
It is thought that over 12,000 years ago, in the last ice age, people from Asia migrated to North America over the Bering Land Bridge. They settled in different parts of the continent. Today, we know that each group adapted to their surroundings in unique ways. How did they live, dress, and gather food? How do we know this? How did we find out? Remember to take notes.
Let's investigate!
How were the lives of native peoples influenced by where they lived? People moved to many places in western North America, and some moved east. Some Native Americans, known as mound builders, lived in a cool, wet climate in what is now Illinois and Wisconsin. They built a city called Cahokia. We know this and so much more about life long ago thanks to a science called archaeology. Archaeologists study how people lived long ago by carefully recovering and analyzing artifacts they left behind. Archaeologists' work starts when someone is digging for some reason and accidentally finds an artifact, like an arrowhead, a piece of pottery, or a bone. Archaeologists study the location and decide on the area they need to explore. The archaeologists begin digging carefully to retrieve artifacts that have been buried under the ground for hundreds or even thousands of years. Then, artifacts are analyzed. This way, we can learn more about how people from long ago lived in that area. Artifacts show us that the mound builders altered the corn they grew to survive in a colder climate. Other archaeological findings show that another early group in the southwest, the Hohokam people, created irrigation canals to bring water to their land.
Let's record!
Now it's your turn to investigate and report on how were the lives of native peoples influenced by where they lived.